Good evening, everybody. Now I am talking my father's. My father is the best friend in my life. My father is all in all of our family. My father is the first teacher in my life. My father is best person of our family. My father is all in all. So everybody be careful. Everybody all time duty. Parents take care. I love my parents. I love my parents because my parents is all in all. My parents is first teacher. My parents is first guardian. My parents is the best teacher and family member and leader in my life. Allah Hafiz. Rashid speaking comes from Jamalpur, lives in Dhaka.